If you have a house in Sylvania, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, I've been buying houses in and around Sylvania and all around the Toledo area. And the reason people like working with me and my team here is we're going to keep everything extremely simple. The way we do that is we're going to buy your house in Sylvania and it's as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. We're going to truly buy it in its as-is condition. Any repair needed is perfectly fine. Big repairs, small repairs, we buy them all. And that means you don't have to do a thing. You don't have to come out of pocket to make repairs. We're never going to ask you for repair credits. And we're a true cash buyer. So our offer on your house and the closing of the house is not relying on this mortgage company or not relying on some lender. See, that's what you're going to get with a traditional buyer, the type of the buyer that a realtor or a real estate agent brings to you. Well, a lot of these buyers, well, number one, if it's coming to you from a real estate agent, you got to pay them commission. Forget that. You're never going to pay commission with us. But these traditional buyers, oftentimes they're using some kind of mortgage or a lender, and this lender is going to need you to jump through hoops. We got to get an appraisal done. We got to get formal inspections. They nitpick your house. It's very annoying, actually. And sometimes these lenders, before they will close and fund the deal to purchase your house, they're going to make you do repairs to this. That defeats the entire purpose of keeping things simple. Right? So when you work with us here, we're going to buy your Sylvania house and it's as-is condition. You're never going to need to fix anything. And since we're a cash buyer, you know, we're not relying on any outside forces or anything like that. We can close on your timeline, because when you're working with a buyer who's using a mortgage, you're at the mercy of their lender. You're closing on their lender's timeline. When you work with us, we're going to close on your timeline, and that means if you need to close quickly, absolutely, we'll make it happen for you. We can close quickly. If you need more flexibility, for instance, something needs to happen in your life, or you need to set a future date for the closing of your Sylvania home, perfectly fine. We can close on the date of your choice. So if you have a house in or around Sylvania, we're very interested in speaking to you and at least giving you your options. And our phone number here is 614-300-5151. And when you call us, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're currently working with. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Sylvania house. If our offer works for you, perfect. We'll move forward. We'll make this thing happen for you. If our offer does not work for you for any reason, we'll shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be added pressure or sales tactics and gimmicks. We're never going to waste your time. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. We're here in Ohio, and we take care of our own people. This is not some call center that's located out in some foreign land. We're right here in Ohio, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you on the sale of your Sylvania house. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com, and even though it says Columbus in the website, we're very active in the Toledo markets, in Sylvania, and we're going to be able to work with you as well. We're up there all the time. So my name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.